Okay, so what I've done is I've got a bit of advice of other Dalek builders, such as Tom's Refurbishments, and he works on collars all the time. He's the one who sent me the Project Dalek collars. Basically, I've cut them out and put them on the Dalek, and they are quite sharp and straight compared to mine. Which they're okay, and they're doable. I don't suppose there's much difference, but they are quite wonky, I think, personally. I think they could, they need a lot of work anyway to get them all nice and straight, but then again, the Dalek itself isn't all that straight anyway. But since I've got the Project Dalek ones, what I've done is made a few adjustments to them, mainly because I've just enlarged this bit here, basically. I made it 4 inches instead of 96mm, so that's basically all I've done. Because a lot of Daleks, I think, they mix and match the collars, so you've got 4-inch collars, and then you've got 96mm top collars and 4-inch bottom ones and stuff like that. So what I've decided to do is just widen the Project Dalek ones, because at the moment they're 96mm, and so what I've done is I've just widened them, made them to 4 inches. It's basically there isn't that much difference between the Project Dalek ones, and these are my ones that I made from scratch. But when you overlay them, there isn't that much difference, and they go around pretty much exactly. And there's the only difference being really is just how wonky mine are compared to the Project Dalek ones. So it's just good to have the Project Dalek ones to compare to as well. But I think because there's a straighter anyway, and I want to get on with my life, I think I'm just going to use their templates. I'm going to keep the top one 96mm, and just, like I said, I've adjusted this one so it's now 4 inches, mainly because of the overhang and all the rest of it. And I think I'm just going to do that, and then just cut them out of plastic, basically, with my garden shears. I hope for the best, because it's cladding plastic and quite difficult to cut out. But that's what I'm going to try and do today, so hopefully the next video will show you what they look like. But anyway, the jury's out, Biden's in, Trump's out, and as far as the collars are concerned, I think I'm just going to use a bit of both of my own measurements and a bit of sort of a hybrid of my own measurements and Project Dalek's templates. So yeah, and just take it from there and hope for the best.